Hello dear students, welcome to our physics online class. I am your physics teacher. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing about the problems related to velocity and acceleration. So in this video also we have to continue the same problems with a different form. So here a problem in text problem, second question. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. In 5 seconds find the acceleration. So a bus is the bus is in a moving condition. What happens, its velocity is decreases from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 80 ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಸ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು 60ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. 80 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 60 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮನ್ನು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ acceleration. Just you have to observe the data. The speeds are both are in a kilometer per hour, but time is in the terms of a seconds. So that's why we have to convert the speed in the terms of a meter per second. So first we have to write the data. So u is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. So it is 80 is as it is 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters and whole divided by 3600 seconds. So if you make the cancellation, yes, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 5 ja. So if you made a cancellation, then we will get an answer as a 200 divided by 9 meter per second. So similarly, final velocity of a bus is 60 kilometer per hour. So that is these two zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Yes, that is a 100 by 6. Okay, 100 by 6 you can write, or for our convenience I wrote as a 150 by 9. So how we are getting a 150 by 9 means 60 into 1000 divided by 3600. These two zeros cancels. 2 5 ja, 2 18 ja. Yes, 2 9 ja, 2 3 ja 6. Yes, 5 into 30, that is 150 divided by 9. Yes, for our convenience we are written as a 150 by 9. So what is the time they given? 5 seconds. But we have to find out we have to find the acceleration. So we already know the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to v minus u divided by t. So in the next step we have to substitute the value of v, u and t. So what is the value of u? V, that is a 150 by 9. Yes, and u value is 200 divided by 9 whole divided by time. Whole divided by time. The time is a 5 seconds. So is equal to, so here denominators are same. So a numerator 150 minus 200, that is minus 50 divided by 9 whole divided by 5. So just I will write the minus 50 by 9 as it is. So whatever the 5 is that comes to denominator and 1 becomes to numerator. So this can be written as 1 by 5. ಹೌದಾ? 200 by 5 ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. So minus 50 divided by 9 and 1 by 5. This 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. So whatever answer is minus 10 divided by 9. So if you divide a minus 10 divided by 9, we will get as a 1.1 meter per second square. So here we are writing the minus sign as it is. Why means here the velocity is decreases from 80 kilometer hour to 60 kilometer per hour. So when there is a decrease in the velocity or a speed of an object, whatever our acceleration is there, that acceleration comes in the terms of a negative sign. So this shows that a retardation or a deceleration of a moving object. Yes, first you have to keep in your mind, if they are given the values are in the terms of a kilometer per hour, that we have to convert in the terms of a meter per second. Then you have to make the calculation as it is. So while you are calculating and cancelling, just you have to carefully write. So next problem, a train from a railway station and moving with a uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. So here a train is present in the station. So initially when the train is at the station, it is in the rest position. Yes, when the train is at the rest position, its initial velocity automatically becomes to a 0 meter per second, and it attains a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So while it starts its moving, it gets a speed of 40 kilometer per hour in a 10 minutes. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೈಲಿಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅವರ್ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಮು 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ 0 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. This 40 kilometer per hour we have to convert in the terms of a meter per second, that is 40 into 1000 divided by 3600. These two zeros cancels, we will get as a 100 divided by 9 meter per second. So time is in the terms of a minutes, that we have to convert in the terms of a seconds. So that's this 10 minutes. 10 into 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that's why 10 into 60, that is a 600 seconds. So what we have to find out, acceleration we have to find out. So we know the formula of acceleration, a is equal to v minus u divided by t. So is equal to v value is 100 divided by 9 minus 0. So 100 by 9 minus 0 is 100 by 9 whole divided by 600 is that can be written as a 1 by 600. This can be written as a 100 1 100, 6 star, that we are getting as a 1 into 1 is a 1, 9 into 6, that is a 54. That train is moves with the acceleration of a 1 by 54 meter per second square. So if you want to convert as in the terms of a decimals, you can write. Okay, it takes a time. So that's why just you can write as a 1 by 54 meter per second square. Just you have to keep in your mind, when they are given terms or in the kilometer per hour and the time is in the terms of a second, that is velocity or a speed we have to convert in the terms of a meter per second. If the time is in the terms of a minute, at that time also we have to convert in the terms of a second. So you may get you have a doubt, why we have to convert the kilometer per hour in the terms of a meter. So we already know that whatever the SI units of speed, velocity, accelerations are there, those we are going to represent as in the terms of a meter per second or meter per second square. So because of SI units, we are going to convert those terms as in the terms of a meter per second. Understand? ನಮ್ಮ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಟಾವನ್ನು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Dear students, I hope all are understood these two problems by converting the kilometer per hour to meter per second. So just convert, how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 1000 divided by 3600. With the given value you can convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, if you feel any difficulty you have to ask me. Thank you.